My name is Mark Kelly. I work for the Missionary Sisters. They're a religious order of nuns, and they've got a number of properties. So I've been in the construction industry for 35 years. I am a carpenter by trade. I met Bob through another contractor who used him to solve a problem similar to what we had. He had great success with the application, so I got a hold of Bob to see if he was able to do the same for our problem. In a couple of the buildings that we have, they are masonry buildings, so we had water infiltration so that the moisture wasn't able to escape. We tried a couple of different cures. None of them worked well. So when I met Bob, we discussed the theory of what he was proposing. The theory is sound and the application appears to work, so you can't argue with that. It has cured our problem. It has cured a number of different things for us. The water has stopped coming in. The damp atmosphere and the musty atmosphere in the building has disappeared. I'm pretty happy with the result. I'm surprised that it worked so well and so quickly. It was like having a stone in your shoe. Whenever it rained, you knew you were going to get the call to say, hey, there's water coming in again. We had a couple of heavy rains and I wanted to wait until we did have those rains until I went back to check it. I had changed out the ceiling tiles that were damaged from the water previously. When I came back, the new tiles were perfect. I said, okay, I'm going to take a look inside in the ceiling space. So I got up the ladder, lifted the tile, and immediately you could tell the air was fresher. You knew that the circulation was taking place. So I called Bob up because I was glad to share good news with him that the application did work for us, and I was very happy with it, and I intend to use it on 2 other buildings that we have. So I have no problem saying I'm very, very happy so far with the way it's turned out.